Hi everyone, my name is hock.meng. I'm a Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore or CAAS-approved Commercial Drone Pilot, and then I'm also a part-time real estate salesperson. Today I'm standing outside the Margaret Drive GLS, which was successfully bidded by Land Interpret Investments and one of their joint partners for about $497 million or 1154 PSF per plot ratio. And then this land area is about 104,000 over square feet. And then I'm going to be showing some of the drone footages around the Margaret Drive GLS and also the surrounding areas. So I hope you enjoy this video. Do click the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for any future updates of upcoming YouTube videos highlighting, showcasing some of the GLS land sites that's coming up that I'll be making it. Thank you, and hope you enjoy this drone footage. Thank you. Hi, my name is hock.meng. I'm a Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore or CAS licensed commercial unmanned aircraft pilot and also a part-time real estate salesperson. In this drone footage, I'm going to present to you the recently bought government land sales site located along Margaret Drive, which is been successfully bidded by consortium of developers, namely Interpret Investments, Hong Realty, and Land, for a price tag of $497 million or 1,154 per square feet per plot ratio, PSF PPR. This land site measures around 102,498 square feet and is a 99-year-old lease site. As you can see from this drone footage, as the gimbal camera is going at a 360 or maybe a rounded view of the area, you can see up in the horizon is the Tangling area, and Orchard Road is right at the front of this video footage. This vast expanse of land is touted as one of the most expensive area in town. You can see in this part of the video some flats of the Sky Oasis at Dawson, and this former public car park site is located next to the Skyview at Dawson, which has made some headlines recently, where HDB's resale prices are record highs in this Dawson area. And in this part of the footage, you can see the land area of the former public car park space, and incidentally is located next to Queenstown Primary School, which is the blue color building with the red colored rooftops beside it. And next to it, you can also see the Skyview at Oasis at Dawson. And also in front of it, you can also see parts of Queenstown. As you know, at this level of height, It is about 120 meters above mean sea level, or AMSL, which is close to about 40-story high of a typical HDB flat located in this area. And for real estate salesperson out there who are watching this video, you may want to consider collaborating with a licensed commercial drone pilot who may be able to take drone footages at this height, because the current permit applications only allows commercial licensed drone pilots to apply for activity permits in the so-called green zones, and in such green zones, which typically located near the central areas, they are allowed to apply for permits to fly at about 120 meters above mean sea level, rather than the typical regulatory limit of 60 meters above mean sea level for recreational or non-commercial drone pilots. If, as a homeowner, and you are not licensed as a commercial drone pilot, you may want to engage a commercial drone or commercial licensed drone pilot who may help you to market your properties with a view of such height level at about 40 stories high. So you can see the vast expanse of land just across where you are looking at from your place. And for the real estate salesperson, if you are marketing a property for your client, you may want to consider collaborating or hiring a commercial licensed drone pilot who can help you take pictures or drone footages at such height levels, rather than just the normal 60 meters above mean sea level, which is only limited to recreation pilots. So again, do consider hiring commercial licensed drone pilots like myself, who can help you market your property and also market your client's property if you are considering taking drone footages at such height limits. There is only currently available to commercial licensed drone pilots in the so-called green zones. So again, these drone footages are taken on a Saturday afternoon, so traffic is normally quite light. So as you can see from this feature of the video, parts of the Orchard Road is been zoomed in, and also just right in front, the tall building in front of us is the HDB development called Sky Park at Dawson, and behind it is the Sky Terrace at Dawson, and just right at the rightmost part of the screen, it is Skyview at Dawson. Potential buyers for this Margaret Drive GLS sites could be the typical HDB resale flat buyers or upgraders, or probably those who are seeking to live close to amenities like schools, accessibility to the city area. You may consider the condo site when it's eventually been launched. According to some analysts, at this bid price of 497 million or 1,154 PSF per plot ratio, they were estimating that launch prices could be about $2,600 PSF to 2,700 PSF, which is quite on the average or slightly higher for this area itself. And there hasn't been any launches or major launches in this area since MCL Land launched their 309 unit Margaret View in June 2018 at an average price of about 1,880 PSF. That development was completely sold and was completed in 2021. According to the Edge Prop, and they were basing their figures through the URA caveats, as of August 1st, 2024, Margaret View has seen 8 transactions for that year at an average price of 2,139 PSF. And the latest transaction price on June 21st of 2024, it was a 129 square feet two-bedder on the 33rd floor of the 40-story tower, which changed hands at 1.85 million or $2,232 PSF. And there could be many amenities. Namely, if you can take a look at my blog article, which is being published together with this video footage, this place is located quite close to the Queenstown MRT station and is quite accessible through the footpaths that's located on the old Alexandra Canal footpath, and is right, and there is a long walkway that separates the Queen's Peak condo and the Commonwealth Towers from Queenstown MRT station. And as I mentioned earlier, you can see parts of the Queenstown Primary School, which could be seen as favorable for some family or households that are looking for schools that are located in this part of the Queenstown. So, do consider if you are looking for flats that are in the Queenstown area. So far, as far as launches are concerned, there hasn't been any major launches around or private condo launches around the Queenstown area, and namely this part of the Dawson area, which have seen many million-dollar transactions being brokered for the past few months or past year as well. I hope you enjoy this drone footage, and hi, I hope you enjoy this drone footage of this Margaret Drive GLS site. Do click the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for any future updates of the upcoming government land sale sites I'll be bringing to you. So I hope you have a good day and enjoy this drone footage. I hope you enjoy this drone footage. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.